Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to record screen on iPhone 16e. Let's begin. So first I would want to expand this panel here, and for me personally it's just better to have a shortcut right here. So let's add one. We simply click the plus button. Oh, but I missed it. I missed it again. Oh my goodness. Yes, so now when we successfully click the plus icon, all we have to do is go to Add Control, and right here we can see our screen recording button. So we simply add it. Now we can leave this, and now we have a nice little shortcut for recording our screen. So let's simply hit record. As you can see, now it is recording our screen, and it will record everything I do. As you can see, we have the little icon here. We can always stop the recording, and we can always go here and watch the recording we just made. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.